I'm Adam Waldman, I'm Professor of Neuro-Radiology at the University of Edinburgh. My main interests are in quantitative neuroimaging, and I lead groups working on brain tumours, neuro-oncology, and in neuroinflammatory disease, particularly multiple sclerosis. Brain Matrix is a multi-centre platform study which aims to bring precision medicine to the treatment of glioblastoma, which is the most aggressive form of adult human brain tumour. Despite many advances in technology, surgical technology, pathology and imaging over the last 30 years, there's been very little improvement in the prognosis for people with glioblastoma. And so addressing this disease is a very high priority in terms of the patients and of course their families. RANO is the standard assessment which is used in brain tumour research, but also in clinical trials for assessment of new therapies. Conventionally, RANO is a paper-based assessment which is performed in individual centres based on radiological reads and comparison of pre- and post-treatment MRI. The RANO tool that we have developed in collaboration with QMENTA allows cloud-based online RANO assessment performed by neuroradiologists with digital output which can then be downloaded to the centres at which the imaging has been acquired, but also archived centrally for further analysis. This will allow RANO evaluation for multi-centre trials and provide an important platform for treatment evaluation in that context. In addition to the radiologically based RANO tool, we've also been developing, in collaboration with QMENTA, more automated methods for evaluating brain tumour volume through segmentation methods, which can be used longitudinally to assess treatment response. And we hope that these will form a future generation of more automated RANO assessments. In common with many multi-centre studies, central data archiving, processing and analysis is a major challenge for studies like Tessagel Brain Matrix. By moving to cloud-based platforms, this process becomes very much easier and more efficient, particularly for the upload, central reading and also subsequent distribution of data outputs. We'd initially had some contact with QMENTA through discussion around other projects, and the real appeal was the opportunity to collaborate with QMENTA and work together using QMENTA's expertise in image analysis and infrastructure in terms of cloud-based platforms, bringing this together with our own interests and expertise in quantitative neuroimaging analysis. Central analysis is particularly important for multi-centre studies. This is true both in terms of ensuring consistency and rigour of image evaluation and processing pipelines and analysis methodology, but also extremely valuable in terms of efficiency, in terms of costs and time. Collaborative partnerships between academic groups such as ours with commercial organisations like QMENTA bring together expertise and infrastructure that allows us to translate work from the research environment into the wider clinical trials and ultimately into clinical practice, which is really ultimately the aim of what we're trying to do.